Welcome to the AICAREGS 247 AI Governance Learning Pathway. We are a California nonprofit dedicated to building a practical pathway to help nonprofits, legal aid organizations, and clinics move from confusion to governed action. In this cornerstone module, we are laying the groundwork for your AI governance journey. Once you stabilize your local AI practices, looking beyond state lines introduces a new challenge. Expanding into a different state or country means facing a complex web of unfamiliar legal requirements. This complexity often stalls growth. Organizations assume every new zip code requires rebuilding their entire compliance program, consuming resources meant for expansion. But if you are already operating in California, the most difficult part of national and global expansion is actually behind you. California's AI and privacy laws are some of the strictest in the world. Navigating those local requirements serves as a rigorous bootcamp for scaling your services outward. Mastering the highest bar possible builds a universal baseline. You are exceptionally well prepared to scale. Your current habits meet the most demanding standards you'll encounter. To execute this geographic expansion, we use the overlay strategy. It allows you to scale your AI governance without multiplying your administrative workload. This foundation is constructed directly from your California-grounded habits. Think of this core framework as a chassis, handling most governance requirements wherever you operate. Because this baseline is rigorous, it requires few structural changes, isolating heavy lifting to a single process, reducing future geographic friction. This expansion funnel illustrates how California habits feed a widening system for global reach. Moving through the funnel preserves your framework. You simply swap in jurisdictional modules, lightweight rule sets for locations like Nevada or the EU, snapping them onto your core framework. This modular architecture reduces cross-border legal compliance to a predictable plug-and-play system. With this system in place, your organization is no longer restricted by the complexities of local compliance. Taking your California-grounded habits and applying them anywhere provides you with absolute cross-border readiness. Promoting this readiness demonstrates to partners and donors that your governance meets the highest international standards. Your organization can move into new regions with the same agility it uses at home, unhindered by the typical delays of localized compliance. Marketing this readiness proves to stakeholders that the organization is built for sustainable long-term growth. Now it is time to map out your own geographic expansion and turn this modular theory into reality. To get started, please download the Multi-State Playbook. Thanks for joining us for this module. Be sure to check the video description to download today's practical output and proceed to the next video in the playlist to continue building your AI governance foundation.